This guide will explore how to set the Ostorlab ticket aggregation settings. The ticket aggregation settings allow you to group the vulnerabilities based on defined criteria that can ease the vulnerability management lifecycle. Access the settings using the left menu in the remediation section. You have two modes. Platform groups allows you to define groups of platforms, such as combining Android File and Android Store into a single Android aggregation group. This is ideal for managing vulnerabilities that affect an application deployed on multiple platforms. Application groups allows you to define groups based on specific application identifiers. This is suitable for grouping vulnerabilities across different environments or platforms of the same application or multiple applications. Choose your aggregation method. In this case, we select platform groups. Select the Platform Aggregation field to add your platform groups. Select all the platforms you would like to group together. In this example, we would like to group Android File and Android Store. First we check Android. Then we check Play Store. Click on Add Platform Group to define one group based on the checked items. To define another group for iOS, click on the Aggregation field. Select iOS. Check the other items to group together. Once all selected, click on Add Platform Group. Take a moment to validate the new groups you created, ensuring they meet your needs. All the elements that are not grouped will be aggregated separately. Save your changes to activate the new settings, ensuring your ticket aggregation is applied. Once clicked, the existing ticket will be closed, and new tickets will be created based on the new configuration. By utilizing the ticket aggregation settings feature, users will experience improved organization and efficiency in vulnerability tracking. This leads to quicker resolutions and a more secure application landscape, ultimately enhancing the overall security posture of their operations. Embrace this feature to optimize your vulnerability management strategy today.